So you're welcome back to the last part of this presentation, which has to do with frequently asked questions on what on ROYALQ. Number one of the frequently asked question is this: how much can I make on ROYALQ on a daily basis? Now, like I said, do not get yourself confused with the idea of Ponzi or fake investment that promise you a fixed profit. Now, the crypto market is not like that because the market forces changes the market. So this is a trade account which I shall be logging into right now, and I'm going to be logging into a trade account. So in this trade account, you can see on the 22nd, this trade account made $4. 23rd, still using the same trade resources, made $15 because the market was good. On the 24th, 1.7, 25th, on the 29th, $7. On 30th, you can see. Now, this is it. You would ask yourself, first of all, is it little? Now, we are running in a bearish market where most manual traders, in fact, have paused trading. So many people have sold their crypto to just look at the market till it picks up. Yet, we are still able to make money with it. But imagine what it's going to be like in a bullish market. Damn, guys will be smiling to the bank. So if a bearish market can bring us this earning, I see no reason why we won't make double in a what? In a bullish market. So this is the number one question. So it is not fixed. There are some days here you would not, okay, for example, let us take a look at this. From 25th, we jumped to 28th, meaning 26th and 27th, the market was so down that we could not make anything. And you can see in 28 we made $2, and 27 we made almost triple of that, $7. So that is the first most asked or frequently asked question. The second one is, are my resources safe? Are my funds safe on Binance? Meaning, can the bot have access to Binance? Number two most frequently asked question. Now let us go to our API management. You can see we have given the bot some limitations or some restrictions, which we can see here. So the bot is allowed to do only two things: to enable reading and to enable spot and margin trading. Any other thing like withdrawing or enable vanilla options to edit or affect your Binance is totally impossible because it does not have such permission. So basically, that is answered. Then another frequently most asked question is, my Binance is not verified. Can I use it? Yes, you can. Remember, this particular account we used for this is not also verified. The only difference is for those in Nigeria, you might not be able to trade on peer-to-peer if your account is not verified. So the easiest way is to withdraw money is either you get someone who has a verified Binance account, you send the money to his Binance wallet, and he sells it on you to peer, you get the money in your bank, or use the Roku wallet, or use the bundle app. Now, to get registered on any of these platforms, just check the description, the links in the description to get started. And there's also a video on how to get withdrawals on Roku. Also check the description. So basically, these are the three most popular asked questions for now, which I've been faced with. Another one which I've answered in the previous video on networking is the networking aspect. This is too good to be true. How can a company offer so many opportunities like this? Well, that is because probably you are still new to networking. For example, you having a good product, for example, and you think the best way of marketing your product is to sell it at a high price, you're going to get fewer buyers, right? Or another company is there having a very good product, a more quality product. Now, for them, the best way to get more money from their product is not to sell it at a high price, but to sell it at a lower price and get what? More buyers. So, like the calculation we made, a company who has a very good bot and is selling it at $1,000 a year would only be able to get, let's just imagine, 1,000 users. So that is $1 million to the company, which is impressive. But a company that is selling a product for $100 and actually does network marketing, and in that network marketing, it gives out $70, only $30 gets to the company in real sense. People are motivated to market this product. I am doing these YouTube videos free. You're learning these things free of charge. You're not going to pay me, but definitely I know with your knowledge and with what you've learned thus far, you're going to acquire this bot using the link, which I sure do hope you do, to encourage more of these videos coming online on YouTube. Now, when you eventually do that, For those who don't know, the link is still in the description, right? Okay. Now, when you do that, I get paid for all the talks I've been doing since, right? This is the motivation for me doing this video. And now the company gets only $30 to have explained in the networking aspect, because $70 out of the $100 you're activating this bot with is split in the various networking aspects. So this company gets $30, but they are motivating people to network the products for them. And let us imagine they're able to reach a million, which they have already passed the million by now. So let us imagine they're able to reach a million. Let us use the barest minimum, 1 million. So 1 million users. This is the same company that is going to be making $30 million a year. So which of them is a smarter way to do business? So for those of you who think the networking is too good to be true, well, most of the best gifts in life, the air you breathe is free. So most of the best gifts you have in life are free. Opportunities are free. It's left for you to take hold of those opportunities and do what you can with them. So basically, we'll call these a wrap up. Subsequently, I will send you some videos on how to buy on Binance peer to pair. I know that's also another frequently asked question, and also another video on how to sell on Binance peer to pair also. So I think should be the end of our course thus far.